So guys, today I am gonna tell you how you can customize your blog theme. So guys, just watch full videos. Really very simple. Just some steps. So let's start. So guys, first you have to open your blog on which you are going to uh, do editing. So next you have to click on theme section. Here you will find this customize button. Just click here. And don't forget one thing, just come in desktop mode if you are using mobile. If you are using laptop, then it's okay. So this is desktop mode. Now I can see preview of my blog's theme whenever I make any changes instantly, so that I can determine that I want it or not. So first thing we are going to do is changing its header image. So because it's very simple, so click on change image. Here you will find very different patterns provided by Google, by Google Blogger. So you can choose any of the pattern. Some people actually don't use this pattern because they create their own to make their site unique. But I don't think it's must. There are so many patterns available and people use. Not everyone use them, so you can use any of these to make your blog beautiful. So I'm going to choose here one. First, I need to know what my blog relates to. It's about stocks, profit, loss, about all this. So I am going to choose here. Um, I want something special but different. Special and different but simple. So I think I should explore under each category. Because you can think this time if you are going to customize your theme with me. So here I am not thinking about this. I think I want simple. So let's see this abstract patterns. Yeah. So I think this one is okay for me because I am looking for any simple header ways. So this one is okay, fine for me. So let's do the other settings. So first thing you need to do is choosing your header, because you are going to remaining customization according to this one. So advanced section, paste text, make sure you are watching, this is very light black color, so I am making changes here, converting it in dark black color. Yes, you're watching how this is looking good. So next is backgrounds. This is about body background. I don't want any changes in body because I want white body. If you make any changes like you set body background color in different dark colors, it don't look good. So I recommend you don't do this. Next is links. What the links color you want. By default it is showing blue, light blue color, and I am okay with it. I'm not going to change, but if you want you can do. Next is blog title. This is asking look. So uh, let's see, is there any need to change font. I think I should make it some large, uh, 55 pixels. It's okay, I don't want to change the color. Next is text. Text is whatever text will be visible in the header, that color. So it's okay white. I want white because my blog title color is white. So make sure if you are changing that tabs color are similar to uh, your blog title color and clearly visible. Next is post editing. I don't think there is any need to make changes. I think I should make a little different in date section because it is very looking very poor. Post title color, post text color, post byline color. Byline color I need to change, so I am making here changes like I think this is okay right now. I will do it later. And I don't think there is much need to change the date color because no one notices it. Next is search bar. So this is for search bar. Placeholder text color is white. Input color is also white. Okay. So it's okay because I want similar because it will be visible in the header. So I want it similar to my title color. Sharing. Sharing background color, text color, icons color. It's okay. Popular. So guys, whatever you will see by default is suitable to your theme, but if you want needed changes, then you can do. Post navigation links color, widgeted links color, links hover color. It's okay. Sidebar. Sidebar is also okay. Author profile. It's also okay. Labels. Labels. Text colors. Labels. Text color. It's okay. Attribution. I think I need to change labels text color because what is label? Label text is something like your content that will be visible to readers, so it should be visible properly. So I changed it to black. Attribution, color, link, all thing is okay. I think I should change icon color also. Width. Don't pick anything here. Add CSS. If you want any additional CSS, you can do. You can add and save it. The next is gadgets. Okay, that's it. That's enough. So you need to change this. Change it now. Click here. So these changes has been applied to my blog. So I'm now going to view it how it is looking. So this is looking like this. You're watching. I think it's looking clearly fine. So next I'm going to remove here Powered by Blogger. If you want how to do it, if you want to know, you can check out my other videos under blogging section. You will definitely find, and you can remove Powered by Blogger. So that's it. Okay guys, I will meet my next tutorial. Bye bye. Take care.